Thank you for your service, brother. Enjoy your new What the heck is happening? Get out of here, bro! Oh my god!
You do a lot of good for people, man. This is gonna be fun. Ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing? There's a dude here, I read his story and I was really impressed with his story too. I want to highlight him. His name is Oscar Rodriguez. Where are you, Oscar?
Get out of here, bro.
Oscar, come on down. Good to see you, brother.
Nice to meet you, bro. Wow. Dude,
wow. It's good to meet you, man. Your story really moved me because I hear that you're a personal trainer,
yeah.
Right? You're always keeping it positive,
yeah.
and motivational and optimistic. You're a leader in your church,
yeah.
Westside Church.
Absolutely, yes.
Right?
Yes, yes. Yes.
So you support and you help make meals for women victims who have been abused by domestic violence?
Yes.
That's a really amazing work. I love that. You take care of your mom who's 75.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Mama's boys.
I'm just speechless. I did not even know this was even going to happen. This is such a blessing. Man, it's so good to meet you. I feel so encouraged right now, so uplifted. You're the man, dude, and I appreciate it. I follow you on Instagram. I listen to your words. I'm encouraged by your motivation. Obviously, you inspire so many people, inspire me, and yeah, man, let's do it. Let's change the world one person at a time. You know,
this is what I say. You know, like kindness matters.
Yeah.
It matters, man. Kindness matters. On behalf of me and my family, and I'm sure I could speak for everybody here, is thank you for your service. Your Navy brother.
3 hugs, bro. 3.
Come here, dude. I want to show you something real quick.
Yes.
Dude, I got this. I wrote this card for you. It's a little thing.
What the heck? Thank you for your service, brother. Enjoy your new What the heck is happening? Get out of here, bro! Oh my god!
You do a lot of good for people, man. You do a lot of good for people.
I thought this was your truck, bro.
It is my truck.
What do you mean?
Now it's your truck. This is my personal truck. It's yours now.
Yo, what the heck?
Here, start her up.
Yo, I can't tell you how many times I see you in this truck.
This is my baby. You do a lot of good for people, brother. The gym, the church, your mom, women. Women who need that support, who are going through it.
This is amazing. Yo, my girlfriend's gonna trip. Look. No, hey, put the video. Put the camera back on. Look who I'm hanging out with.
Hey!
Thank you, bro. Just love, you know?
Just love. I got you. Good. All right, dude.
All right.
Enjoy your truck.
Thank you, bro.
Well, that was pretty special. Man, what a good guy. And a guy like Oscar who does so much for so many people. His laundry list of caring credentials is pretty amazing. So just an honor for me to give a little bit of joy to a dude who deserves probably a lot more than just my truck. And now I can figure out how I'm getting home. Because I don't have my ride. Maya, I'm gonna need a ride. All right.